Welcome back to Echo English Moments. I'm Lily, your guide to speaking English confidently in everyday life.
And I'm Tom, here to make learning fun and practical. Hello, everyone.
In our A Day with Lily series, we dive into real-life situations to help you practice natural English conversations.
Today's topic is something many of you might do to stay healthy, going to the gym.
Whether you're a fitness beginner or a regular gym goer, communicating in English at the gym can feel a bit daunting, especially in a new country.
No worries. We'll walk you through every step, from signing up to asking for help with equipment, with simple phrases and useful tips.
Plus, we'll share gym tips to make your workout experience smoother and more enjoyable. Ready to get moving? Let's jump in. First, you need to find a gym and learn about their membership options.
You can start by saying, "Hi, I'm interested in joining your gym. Can you tell me about your memberships?"
Or try, "Hello, what are the prices for a monthly membership?"
If you want flexibility, ask, "Do you have a pay-as-you-go option or a short-term pass?"
You might also say, "Are there any discounts for students or first-time members?"
And don't forget to ask, "What facilities are included with the membership?"
Being clear and polite helps you get all the information you need. Once you're at the gym, ask for a tour to check out the facilities.
Say, "Can someone show me around the gym?" Or, "I'd like to see the workout areas and locker rooms, please."
You can ask specific questions like, "Do you have a cardio section or weightlifting area?"
Or try, "Are there showers and lockers available for members?" If you're into classes, ask, "What group fitness classes do you offer?"
These questions help you understand what the gym offers and if it suits your needs. Ready to join? You'll need to sign up for a membership.
Say, "I'd like to sign up for a monthly membership, please."
Or, "Can you walk me through the registration process?"
If you're unsure about fees, ask, "Are there any extra costs, like an initiation fee?"
You might also say, "What's the cancellation policy if I need to stop my membership?"
And confirm, "Can I start using the gym today after signing up?"
Asking these questions ensures you understand the commitment. When you arrive for your workout, greet the staff politely to make a good impression.
Try, "Hi, I'm here to work out. Where do I check in?"
Or, "Hello, I'm a new member. Can you show me how to scan my membership card?"
If you need help, say, "Is there someone who can explain how the lockers work?"
You can also ask, "Where's the changing room located?"
A friendly tone makes the staff more willing to assist you.
At the gym, you might need help with machines or weights.
Say, can you show me how to use this treadmill?
Or, is there a trainer who can explain how to adjust this weight machine?
For safety, ask, what's the proper way to use this equipment?
You can also say, "How do I increase the resistance on this bike?"
If you're unsure about availability, try, is this machine free to use now?
Asking clearly helps you use equipment safely and correctly. Group fitness classes are a fun way to exercise. Ask about joining one.
Say, can I sign up for the yoga class this evening?
Or, what's the schedule for group classes this week?
If you're new, try, is this class suitable for beginners?
You might ask, "Do I need to bring anything, like a yoga mat?"
And confirm, where does the spin class take place?
These questions help you feel prepared and confident. Want to improve your routine? Ask a trainer for tips.
Say, can you suggest some exercises for building strength?
Or, what's a good warm-up routine before lifting weights?
For specific goals, try, I want to improve my cardio. What machines should I use?
You can also ask, "How many reps should I do for this exercise?"
And is there a trainer available for a quick consultation?
Trainers love helping motivated members, so don't be shy. Gyms often have amenities like water stations or saunas. Ask about them.
Say, where can I fill up my water bottle?
Or, is the sauna included in my membership?
For convenience, ask, are towels provided, or should I bring my own?
You might also say, "Is there a place to store my bag while I work out?"
And does the gym have a stretching area or foam rollers?
Knowing these details makes your gym visit more comfortable. After your workout, you might use the locker room to change or shower.
Say, where are the showers located in the locker room?
Or, are there hair dryers or toiletries available?
If you're unsure about rules, ask, can I leave my bag in the locker overnight?
You might also say, "Is there a private changing area available?"
And how do I get a lock for the lockers?
These questions help you navigate the locker room with ease. If something's broken or unsafe, report it politely.
Say, the treadmill isn't working properly. Can someone check it?
Or, "There's a spill in the cardio area. Could it be cleaned up?"
For equipment issues, try, this weight machine feels loose. Is it safe to use?
You can also ask, "Who should I talk to about a broken locker?"
And how long will it take to fix this issue?
Being specific and polite gets faster results from the staff. Want personalized help? Book a session with a trainer.
Say, how can I schedule a session with a personal trainer?
Or, what are the rates for one-on-one training sessions?
You might ask, are there trainers who specialize in weight loss?
Also, can I book a trainer for next week?
And confirm, will the trainer create a custom workout plan for me?
These questions help you get the most out of your training. After your workout, thank the staff or trainer for a great experience.
Say, thanks for your help with the equipment today.
Or, I had a great workout. See you next time.
You can add, the class was awesome. Thank you.
If you enjoyed the facilities, try, the gym is really clean and well organized.
And I'm looking forward to coming back tomorrow.
A positive attitude leaves a great impression. Let's practice key phrases to make them stick. Repeat after us.
I'd like to join your gym.
I'd like to join your gym.
Can you show me around the facilities?
Can you show me around the facilities?
What's the price for a monthly membership?
What's the price for a monthly membership?
Where do I check in?
Where do I check in?
Can you show me how to use this machine?
Can you show me how to use this machine?
Is this class suitable for beginners?
Is this class suitable for beginners?
Where can I fill up my water bottle?
Where can I fill up my water bottle?
The treadmill isn't working. Can someone check it?
The treadmill isn't working. Can someone check it?
How can I book a personal trainer?
How can I book a personal trainer?
Thanks for your help today.
Thanks for your help today.
I had a great workout.
I had a great workout.
I'm looking forward to coming back tomorrow.
I'm looking forward to coming back tomorrow. Wow, we've covered so much about going to the gym in English today.
From signing up to crushing your workout, you're now ready to navigate the gym with confidence.
Remember to ask clear questions, be polite, and don't be afraid to seek help from trainers or staff.
Practice these phrases, and you'll feel like a pro in no time.
These tips and expressions will help you feel comfortable and motivated, whether you're lifting weights or joining a class.
Thanks for joining us on A Day with Lily. Keep moving and keep learning.
This was Echo English Moments. See you in the next episode.